how do you determine that this is the right property or right client to work with? That's the number one question on the due diligence. And then you also mentioned the underwriting. So what exactly you're underwriting? Exactly the same like your client is underwriting, or you underwrite a little bit differently than the client? Because that's important for you to understand the numbers. Like if the client is making money, it's gonna be paying you back. So it's kind of correlated, the whole thing, and the due diligence.
Yep. So we definitely want to keep a forward eye on what's going on with the borrower. So for example, if the borrower plans on refinancing this property, we want to make sure that they stand a pretty good chance at actually qualifying for that refinance loan. So we're going to talk to them about their cash flow. Do they have assets? You know, during the peak of the pandemic, some lenders wanted to see 12 months of PITI in the bank before they would do a cash out refinance for you.